Hello everybody, I'm engineer Jamie Reyes with GCT, and today I just want to talk to you a little bit about why I choose, the SCIP system, structural insulated concrete panel, instead of conventional, building, for some simple reason. You see, normally a wall that is made with conventional, building like sheetrock sound kind of hollow. Now, when you're looking for resiliency and structural strength in any building that you make, SCIP system literally give you that. Why? Because in the way that the things are built, not only for the process that it takes and the quality, but let me show you what makes this thing so strong. You see, everything starts with a SCIP panel in the middle. Once the first coat or mortar is applied, it gives basically the structural strength that the panel needs. Then the second is put, making the panel literally very strong and resilient. And if you look at the difference between this panel and a conventional construction, it's solid as a rock. Now, you look at different ways of buildings are made in these days. They show you that when we build with SCIP, we build for resilience, energy efficient. Why? Because you get everything in one. You get strength, you get resilient, and you get the energy efficient. Not only that, the strength of this building compared to conventional building is incredible. Even in a hot day like today, when sometimes temperature can reach 120 degrees Fahrenheit, our system allow for the building to be 30 degrees colder on the inside. Why? Because energy is not dissipated. It's like living inside of an insulated cup. And if you see here, I'm going to one of our prefabricated building. This is SCIP technology. Inside of here, although it might be hot outside, and here it's 30 degrees colder. But this is the thing that I love the most. Remember how hollow that conventional wall sound? Listen to this. Solid as a rock. Even in a tornado, when they tell you you have to go to the room that is in between, even inside of here, you can even be in the middle of a Third World War and you still, because of the strength and the resiliency of the building. This is what SCIP system built. This is what structural insulated concrete panel. Another great thing too, this is privacy proof, because it's not like a conventional wall that is hollow. Everything is solid and protected. And it's so neat to see how cold these walls feel compared to on the other side. 30 degrees colder. Without AC, this place feel like you got the air conditioning on. So in the future, when you're thinking about building, think about SCIP system. Think about structural insulated concrete panels. Believe me, this is the way of the future, and it will change everything. With GCT ready, with GCT strong.